If you're over 60 and battling arthritis, every step can feel like a challenge. The stiffness in the morning, the aching joints at night, it wears you down. But what if I told you that your plate might hold the key to less pain and more mobility? Today, we're going to walk you through a simple but powerful 7-day anti-arthritis meal plan that could help you reduce inflammation, soothe your joints, and even reclaim some of the energy you thought was gone for good. This isn't a fad diet. It's a targeted nutritional approach backed by science, designed to support your body's natural healing processes, without drugs, without complicated recipes, and without spending hours in the kitchen. Let's start with the real story behind arthritis and your diet. What you eat really matters. Arthritis, whether it's osteoarthritis or rheumatoid arthritis, is largely fueled by inflammation. Think of inflammation like a fire inside your joints. It burns, swells, and causes pain. Certain foods add fuel to that fire. Others help put it out. The Western diet, high in processed carbs, fried foods, sugar, and red meat, has been linked to increased inflammation across the board. But there's good news. You can flip the script. Research shows that certain nutrients, especially those found in whole foods, can lower inflammation, ease joint pain, and even protect cartilage from further damage. And that's exactly what our 7-day plan is built on. Day 1. Clean slate, clean start. On your first day, the goal is to calm the body and begin the detox from inflammatory triggers. Breakfast is a warm bowl of steel-cut oats topped with fresh blueberries, chia seeds, and a splash of almond milk. Blueberries are rich in antioxidants called anthocyanins, which actively fight inflammation. Lunch is a hearty lentil and vegetable soup with turmeric. Turmeric contains curcumin, a compound praised for its anti-inflammatory powers. Add a dash of black pepper to help your body absorb it better. Dinner features grilled salmon with a side of steamed broccoli and sweet potato. Omega-3s from salmon help lubricate your joints, while sweet potatoes are rich in beta-carotene, a powerful antioxidant. Day 2. Build on the basics. By day 2, your body is already beginning to respond. You might notice less bloating, more energy, and a calmer gut, because inflammation starts in the digestive system. Start your day with a smoothie made from spinach, banana, flax seeds, and a bit of plant-based protein. Flax seeds are a great source of ALA, a type of omega-3 that's plant-derived and joint-friendly. Lunch is a quinoa salad with chickpeas, cucumber, red onion, parsley, and olive oil. Olive oil contains oleocanthal, a natural compound with effects similar to anti-inflammatory medications. For dinner, a bowl of veggie stir-fry with tofu, garlic, ginger, and a tamari sauce hits the spot. Garlic and ginger are natural inflammation fighters that can help ease swelling and discomfort. Day 3. Keep the momentum going. By now, your joints may be feeling slightly more mobile, and digestion may be smoother. Keep going. Breakfast is simple: whole grain toast with avocado and a sprinkle of hemp seeds. Avocados are loaded with monounsaturated fats and vitamin E, both known to support joint health. Lunch is a classic: sardines on a bed of leafy greens with lemon, walnuts, and a drizzle of balsamic vinegar. Sardines are another rich source of omega-3s, and walnuts add crunch and anti-inflammatory benefits. Dinner features a warm chickpea stew with carrots, celery, and tomatoes simmered in a tomato base. Tomatoes, especially cooked ones, provide lycopene, a nutrient that can reduce inflammatory markers. Day 4. Midweek reset. By day 4, you may be surprised by how much your energy and mobility have improved. It's not magic, it's nutrition. Start with a bowl of unsweetened Greek yogurt with sliced strawberries, sunflower seeds, and cinnamon. Cinnamon is another underrated spice with anti-inflammatory benefits. Lunch is a whole grain wrap filled with grilled veggies, hummus, and arugula. Hummus provides protein and fiber without triggering inflammation. Dinner is a comforting dish of wild rice, sautéed kale, and roasted butternut squash. These ingredients are rich in antioxidants, fiber, and anti-inflammatory compounds that support joint repair. Day 5. Strength from within. By now, the fire inside your joints is cooling down. You may be walking a little easier, sleeping a little better. Breakfast is a berry smoothie with almond butter, flax, and a handful of kale. It's creamy, sweet, and packed with joint-soothing nutrients. Lunch is a bowl of miso soup with seaweed, tofu, and brown rice. Miso provides probiotics that support gut health, which is closely tied to inflammation levels. Dinner includes grilled chicken, or tempeh if you're vegetarian, with a side of asparagus and wild mushrooms sautéed in olive oil and garlic. Mushrooms contain compounds that can suppress inflammatory cytokines, the chemicals behind joint pain. Day 6. Comfort foods, reinvented. Healthy eating doesn't mean boring food. Breakfast today is a warm bowl of buckwheat pancakes topped with almond butter and sliced bananas. Buckwheat is gluten-free and rich in rutin, a flavonoid that improves circulation and reduces inflammation. Lunch is a Mediterranean bowl with olives, cherry tomatoes, cucumber, quinoa, and tahini. These ingredients work together to nourish your body and reduce oxidative stress. Dinner is a hearty lentil shepherd's pie, mashed cauliflower topping instead of potatoes. Cauliflower contains sulforaphane, a compound shown to protect cartilage and ease arthritis symptoms. Day 7. Full circle healing. You've made it to day 7, and by now, your joints likely feel looser, your mornings less stiff, and your body lighter. Start the day with a chia pudding made the night before with coconut milk and topped with kiwi and almonds. Almonds are packed with vitamin E, which can protect joints from damage. Lunch features a creamy broccoli and spinach soup made with cashew cream. These greens are loaded with vitamin K and magnesium, essential for bone health and inflammation control. Finish strong with a dinner of grilled trout, sautéed red cabbage, and roasted carrots. Red cabbage and carrots contain polyphenol, plant compounds that heal from the inside out. Why this 7-day plan works. This plan works because it removes the foods that aggravate your condition, like refined sugars, saturated fats, and processed meats, and replaces them with healing nutrients. Every ingredient is chosen to fight inflammation, repair damage, and restore comfort. It's not about perfection, it's about consistency. The more you eat this way, the better your joints will feel. And remember, small changes can lead to big results. Arthritis doesn't have to define your life. You have more control than you think, and it starts with what's on your plate. If you found this 7-day meal plan helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more health tips for seniors, and share it with someone you care about. And if you'd like a printable version of this plan, check the link in the description. Stay strong, stay healthy, and keep moving forward, because healing is always possible, one bite at a time.